Hello, my name is Gwion Rhisiart and I'm the Welsh Youth Parliament member for Cardiff Central. I'm also a member of the Life Skills and Curriculum Committee, whom I will be representing whilst giving this evidence. To start, we released our report on life skills in the curriculum in November 2019, having consulted young people through nationwide surveys and focus groups. The report highlighted inconsistencies within the present curriculum that worried us as a committee, with 84% receiving lessons on internet safety, but only 10% receiving lessons on political education. The low percentage of young people receiving lessons on politics concerns us, considering that 16 and 17-year-olds will be able to vote for the first time ever in next year's 2021 Senedd elections. We are failing our generation at the moment by giving them the right to vote, but not educating them on what voting actually entails. This brings us next to the new proposed curriculum in the bill. Our main concern as a committee was that it could lead to many inconsistencies in the learning experiences of young people across Wales, because so many aspects of the curriculum are left for schools and local authorities to decide. In addition to this, a lack of funding may further the difference in learning experiences in more deprived areas of Wales. For example, my school, Ysgol Bywyd in Cardiff, were fortunate to be able to access funding to give every single student in the school an iPad to take home and use in their everyday school life. However, many schools and local authorities will not be able to fund this, and as a result, pupils in more deprived areas of Wales won't have the same experiences in areas of the curriculum such as digital literacy, which can incur enormous costs. To prevent this, the new curriculum should present more guidance and essential topics to cover, while still giving schools flexibility to design a curriculum suitable for their students. We cannot let the new curriculum for Wales morph into the same tacky President's curriculum that we have. Otherwise, we fail in our duty as representatives of young people in Wales.